Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. In case you're interested in this box, I'm going to leave a link for it down there below in the description bar, and I'm also going to leave individual links to the materials I get in this box in case you just want a few of the beads, but not the entire box. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. And again, they put jewelry grade waxed cotton cord on here. So don't throw this away. You can reuse it to make a wrap bracelet or whatever you want to do with it. And let's see what we have. Alright, so if this is your first time seeing this opening, this here is a piece of paper that has a link to a video tutorial showing how to put together the projects in this box. Okay, so let's see what we're going to have. We got bead stringing wire in gold. There's a lot there. And then, I hope my camera's right. It's kind of weird setup right now. We have huge jump rings, and they're really big. I don't think I've actually seen them this big. It's like the size of a penny. They're really huge. Okay. And then we have, oh my gosh, new Czech shell beads. I haven't seen this one yet. Is it some kind of a snail? There's another Czech shell bead that I've gotten a few times. It's some kind of a snail. It's really cute. I like the color. Very pretty. Okay, and the next thing, oh, they gave us the one I was thinking about, which is this one here. So this is the one that I've gotten in the past. Oh my gosh, this is the prettiest color. It looks like it's blue with bronze over it, but you see this here? How it's white in the middle? That makes me think that the bead was white and then they did all these treatments to it. Yeah, I could see here too, a little whiteness right there. Those are beautiful. I don't actually know if I've got this color yet. I have got the gray. It's a dark gray with this bronze on it. Those are like blue. Those are really gorgeous. See, these are just a little bit bigger. I still like this one more though. That one's my fave. So this is the BohemStyle box. I remember sometime back, I don't know how long it's been, but there was a shell necklace that had, I think, the white ones, these in white. I'll try and find that picture, put it up. So that was a previous project with this box. We have Crimp Beads here. These are the copper ones. I actually bought these because I love them so much. They're really good quality, thick walls, and they're beads, not tubes. We have two Lobster claw clasps, little ones. These are like 9mm. I like the tiny ones, but I also like the big ones. It depends on what I'm doing with it. But for doing thin chain, I like to do the small ones. We have a chain here. It's not an extender chain. Let's see. It is short though. I want to see how long. Maybe 4 or 5 inches. Okay. It's actually a flat cable chain is what that's called. And then we have loose turnip cones. And I have no idea what this color is. I don't know if it's black with bronze luster or if it's blue, like a dark blue. By the way, you might hear fireworks outside. It's 4th of July night. It's like 11 o'clock at night. And it's my only window to film. So I'm filming now. I have one bead left in the bag. So I think they might be black or dark blue with bronze luster. These are the 3mm loose turnip cones. Didn't I recently use these? Did I use these in the dragonfly earrings? I don't remember. I would have to check. I thought I recently used those. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. An anchor charm. It's a little guy. This box every year has like the best summer designs. I should just go through some previous BohemStyle pictures and show you some of their ocean themed, like summer themed projects they've made, because they've had some really beautiful ones. That's so cute. And then, no way, more shells. I've never seen this color. Oh my gosh, this is really bizarre. Look at the top. It actually looks like there's algae on it. And then the bottom's blue. And all of them are like that? Looks like it. Yeah, those are cool. Okay, more chain. This is extender chain. And there is 2 in here. I'm not going to worry about opening that because it's a basic material and it makes the video too long. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. I don't think I have these in my stash. I might have them in 4mm or 3, but I do not have them in the 6, which is 6mm. These are opal. This color's permanent. It's all the way through the bead. I think it is. I could tell by putting it up to the light. Yeah, this color's permanent. It goes all the way through the bead. Isn't that just amazing? It might be hard to see on the white background. Right there, one of my favorite colors. So beautiful. This also comes in pink, purple, orange. Orange is amazing. I have Drux in this opal, 6mm Drux, green opal Drux. It's not actually opal, but that's what they call it. They also call it milky. You'll see seed beads called milky. There's a tiny 4mm jump ring, just one. And then we have 6mm jump rings, there's a whole bunch in there. And we have opaque turquoise. I think this is the green turquoise. There's also this color. They call that turquoise, but there's a blue, that's blue turquoise. And this is green turquoise. That's how they call it in Czech beads. Look at that. See? You'll find this color in Czech beads. Okay, so this is the green one. And this also comes in Persian turquoise, which is a dark teal color, and I have those in my stash. But I don't have these in my stash. I have them in 4 and 3mm, but not this size. They are gorgeous. Beautiful beads. For a second there, I thought the hole was smaller. Is that smaller looking holes? Sometimes I've gotten Czech fire polish beads in the past that were more elongated than, like really long, almost like tubular like. Oh, these are beautiful. I've used this color before. These are galvanized seed beads, but I don't know if they are permanent. They kind of look like they're either Miyuki or Czech. They look very similar. But I've used that color before. I think in bracelets, a ring. Oh my gosh, these are so precious. I love these. I believe they're called UFO beads. I have them in black, and I put them into a necklace, a strung project that I did for the Czech Beads exclusive box one year. They are so beautiful. I think I almost bought these, but didn't, or they sold out on me. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Almost dumped the whole tray. I actually think that this bead is black with bronze over top, and that's why it looks so dark. Yeah, so if it were broken, it's probably black inside, but with the bronze luster over top because it's really dark. Now, the bronze one, if it's broken, it will be bronze glass inside. There's like two versions of it that I've seen. There's also like the Chinese crystal beads. There's a bead in the box. Did I drop any more? No. The Chinese crystal beads that are bronze, if you look at those through the hole in light, most of them, or maybe all of them, are actually clear beads with a bronze luster on the outside. But those are amazing. This is really awesome. I can't wait to see what this is going to be like. And sometimes I'm like confused because I actually feel like there's not much beads here, so I always wonder, what is the design going to look like? It's amazing how it comes together. So this is it. You're going to see a picture at the beginning of the video and at the end of what all of this looks like put together. I have no idea right now at the time that I'm filming this, but I'm very excited about this project. And this is it. I'm going to leave a link for the BohemStyle down there below in the description bar. You can go and get this. And I'm also going to leave individual links to the materials you see here in case you want some of these beads, alright? So please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.